Looking for how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. In this video I show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails or email not received in Gmail account problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Gmail app, update Gmail if available, update. Now go to settings. Now go to apps or application manager, click on it. Now search for Gmail app, click on Gmail, click on storage, clear data, delete, click on permission, allow all permission. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, go to Gmail, open Gmail app, got it. Click on take me to Gmail, click OK, click on three dot menu, click on settings, click on notification, allow all notification. Now click on synchronize Gmail, enable it, test for email, increase it. Now check. I hope that this method fix your problem. Thanks for watching.